guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I'm going to show you how to create a support for a big plant. So we have this big tomato plant and we didn't uh, give it a wire cage in the beginning, and now it's falling all over the place. So we are going to create our own wire cage made to order, because now the plant is so big I probably will not find it in the store. So we have a chicken wire mesh that we will use to create support for this tomato plant. So let's go.
So here is our tomato plant, and as you can see that the plant is actually falling off the planter, and we have given it the support of the shrub behind, but that's probably not the right way of doing it. So now we are going to prepare a wire mesh support for it. So here is the wire mesh that is all rolled up. We're going to open it up, measure it, cut it, and then put it around the tomato plant.
Laying it out, and now we'll cut a piece which is 3.5 times the diameter of the planter, so that it will cover the whole periphery. So we have measured it, now we are cutting it. So we are cutting such that these plain wires are on this side, because when we'll wrap it around, we'll wrap it on the other side. So we have this piece cut out now. So now we're just going to put it around the planter and tie it. So we have put it around the planter now. As you can see, now the stems, or actually the plant, is kind of confined. It's not falling off the planter. So now we have moved it on the planter so that the full length of the plant gets the support. Now we are tying the loose wires on the other side to secure it, and this whole plant is contained in the chicken wire mesh. So now we are going to add this stake, so that that stake can go deep in the planter, and that way it can secure the cage itself. If there is wind or something, it shouldn't fly away. So one last thing, we are just tying the stake to the wire mesh, just to completely secure it, and we are done. So I hope this inspires you to create your own wire mesh or support for your plants. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.